I'm Chris. I'm from Derbyshire in central England. I have come for a second time to have my second hip done, and I'm hoping to enjoy my outdoor life again. I was in a lot of pain through a failing hip. I was looking overseas, several countries, to find a company who would perform the operation, which had good credentials and one who I felt I could be at peace with. KCM came up tops on my list, so I made arrangements to come here in November and have the operation done. Everything is so clean, tidy, staff could not do more to help. Everything worked like clockwork. The doctors were very attentive, the surgery was perfect, and after 12 days of operation, rehabilitation, I left feeling I cannot fault this in any way, and I will come back. The surgery in England had a waiting list of between 18 months and 2 years. If I paid to have the job done privately, it would have cost me over £10,000, and they would have then had what they call an enhanced recovery program, whereby you are in hospital, surgery, walking out of hospital within 30 to 36 hours. You would get no further care, no further visit from a health professional for another 6 weeks. And I thought that was just not acceptable. I'm looking forward to being able to go hiking in the hills again properly, which I haven't been able to do for 2 or 3 years. That's what I'm looking forward to. I find that everything I've received here, the treatment, the attention, has been such good value for money, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend to anyone to come and have surgery here, especially orthopedic surgery, because that is what I personally can vouch for. And as before, I cannot fault it. It has been absolutely superb, right from the word go. Yes, great stuff, great stuff.